If you are wondering where is the headphone jack input on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is, well, there is none. So the only port that we have on the phone is this USB-C port, which of course usually we can use to charge our phone, but also sometimes to, let's say, transfer files if we connect it to another device, such as a computer. However, we can use this port in order to connect our wired headphones. Of course, if you have wired headphones with a USB-C cable, then that is a very simple task for you now. You just have to connect it to your phone and it should work straight away. However, if you have wired headphones with this cable over here, then in that case you need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like that. It converts the 3.5mm headphone jack input into USB-C cable. So we can connect our wired headphones to the adapter, and then we connect the adapter with our headphones to the phone, just like that, and then we can use our headphones. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.